Hi, I'm Jordan Mamann, your man for real estate with the Network Realty Group, here at 1834 Meadowview Court, located in the desirable community of Marchmont. This sprawling bungalow features a functional, open concept layout with 9-foot ceilings, tons of natural light, and a chef's kitchen. Fully finished in-law suite in the basement with a separate entrance that leads to the heated triple-car garage. Also a beautiful backyard just waiting for your finishing touches. Let's take a look.